Hello everyone, welcome to Guru Design Lab. I am Guru and on this channel you will learn SolidWorks 3D modeling, 2D drawing and mechanical design through easy to follow tutorials. If you are passionate about CAD design, make sure to subscribe and let's build your skills together. Open SolidWorks and take a plane like a front plane and a sketch. Make a center line and take a line and make it dimension. This dimension is 37.5 and this is 27. Between these two lines the dimension is 75 mm and take a 3-point arc, first point, second point and third point, and this radius is 150 mm. Open a sketch fillet and select these two corners and the parameters is 2 mm only. Enter. Okay, exit sketch, go to features tab and take revolve boss face, select a sketch and say it okay. Select this face, sketch, select this line, offset entities, reverse direction 2 mm. Enter. Features, extrude cut 2.5 mm. Enter. Okay. Select sketch fillet, add there, say to 1 mm. You can see the fillets are set. Select cell command, parameters is 2.5 mm. Hit okay. Okay, you can see. Select fillet command, choose items to fillet and say it 1.2 mm. Okay, at first we start from front plane, so then front plane sketch, take 3-point arc, and take dimension, this dimension like this, from distance origin to this point is 48 mm and this point from origin is 23 mm, radius 14 mm, or this origin from this point is 60 mm. Take 3-point arc, this point, set okay. Smart dimension from origin to this point is 60 mm. Set okay. Select this line and press control and make it tangent. Set okay. Exit a sketch. Take a plane from reference geometry. First reference at this point, and the second reference at this point. say it okay. Sorry, third reference is your front plane, say it okay. Plane sketch, center rectangle, select center rectangle. At this point, create it smart dimension. This is 4 mm, this is 10 mm. We sketch fillet, entities to fillet, first make it 1.2 mm and then select these lines, say it okay. Okay, go to features tab, select sweep boss face and guided curves, these lines. Select align with end faces, go to option and select align with end faces, say it okay. And this plane you can hide. You can make isometric, see the results. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.